Persimmon. Roadside persimmon. Stitches. Not supposed to take the whole thing. Let me get another one. Short-lived experiment here. All right. Patch. 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 Don't be afraid of the geese. Oh, or Ellis. Hey, Bubba. Patch. You guys are not making this short and easy experiment short or easy. Patch. Chickens and persimmons. Yum yum. When they're not being scared of Patch. Hey. Alright, now. Geese. Goose, goose, goose. Who wants the persimmon? Patch. Sorry, Tex, Bluebell. 10 years. You want this? Ellis, I can't do this with you here. I love you, but just you need to leave me alone for a minute. Tex, Bluebell. No, shake it. No. And that's what they all do, even if they're not scared by Ellis. But the chickens, Jiro. Jiro. Come here, my gentle boy. Ellis. Ellis. Over there. Go on. Jiro. Jiro. Come here. Come here, my gentle boy. Oh, look at that. Okay, here comes Ellis. Ellis, hello. I guess I need to feed Ellis because he doesn't want a persimmon, but he's very interested in me feeding the others. Jiro, here you go, guy. All right. The ducks, I honestly haven't figured out yet if they like them or not. I'm thinking they would eat them because ducks are pretty omnivorous. So that'll be another video.